my cooking show. As you all know, it's Culture Week, so we're preparing Mexican food and Asian food. Now for our Mexican food, we have prepared quesadillas, which is basically a tortilla and already cut up Velveeta. And we're just gonna put it on this plate. We're gonna turn up the heat. We're gonna let it last for about 3 minutes on there, just so the cheese gets all melted. And we're gonna fold it in half and eat it. Now, for my Asian food, we have prepared cat. Now, it just requires you to boil the cat and spice it up. Alright, we're going to spice it using meat tenderizer, garlic salt, and I like to add some cinnamon for a blast of flavor. We just put it in here with the boiling cat. And we're going to let the cat sit there for about 20 to 30 minutes just so all of her hair can fall off. That way she'll be tender. Now, along with the spices, we're going to put a few carrots in there just to give it that extra smash, you know? Don't want my dinner to choke out on me. Alright. And our quesadilla is done. So, we're going to enjoy